For the third time in 2 weeks, Boston gets hit by a nor'easter. This one includes a lot of snow, a lot of heavy wet snow. Power's going out. They're trying to stay ahead of it, plowing and salting and scraping the streets and sidewalks in Boston. And we'll check in with Alex Wallace from the field and on the streets there in Boston coming up in just a few minutes. I'm meteorologist Mike Seidel. Skylar coverage continues from Islip, where we had a pretty good band over the past couple of hours at 1 to 2 inches an hour, 7 inches and plus of heavy wet snow. Our temperature is 32. As far as the airports go, LaGuardia's ground stop has ended. Now they've got a ground delay program at LaGuardia. Average arrival delay is about an hour. With that said, they've only canceled 17% of departures. So things are running relatively smooth, and the temperature there is 36 degrees. Visibility 5 miles of light snow, so 36 is a big, big help, and the snow is backing off. It's going to end there, and certainly in the next couple of hours. Over at Kennedy, they're treating the runway, so some small delays there. And again, check with your air carrier. Out here, we've got snowpack, slushy roads, but as the snowfall rate eases off, the March sun angle, our temperature will also here will go above freezing. And J-Lo, that is really going to help us out on the roads here just off the LIE in Islip. But you've got the latest on what we know at this hour from Skylar.
All right, thanks so much, Mike. And again, we're continuing to track this latest winter storm, Sky.